Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this winter season, we need something to keep us warm and cozy. This soup is rich, satisfying and nourishing. A delicious pot of homemade vegetable soup, and it got a lot of flavor and your favorite vegetables in it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this vegetable soup. It's super easy and simple to make in no time. So let's get started. Right now I have my pot on my stove. I'll go ahead to pour some cooking oil, just little cooking oil. So I'll be using chicken breasts for my protein of choice. You can use beans or whatever meat you got. So right now I'll give it time to boil for some few minutes, like about 10 minutes, before I will come back to check on it. It's been 10 minutes. So right now I'll be adding some chopped onion. I'll also be adding some celery and carrots. We'll give this a good mix. We'll be adding some crushed garlic. So if you love garlic, you can add some. Garlic is very healthy to the human body, so that's why you need to add some garlic in your meals. We'll stir this and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes until the carrot is tender. So now I'll go ahead to stir more, and I'll be adding some tomato puree which I made because we want that color, and also 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. We'll mix. And now we can start adding our spices that we need for the cooking. I'll go in with some thyme, some curry powder, black pepper. This is my chicken seasoning cube which I crushed. And if you want it spicy or a bit hot, you can add crushed pepper. And just to spice up the flavor, we'll add this sugar. Then we mix up everything. I'm making use of sweet red potato, or you can use any potato of your choice. So we'll put it in, and I'll be adding some water. But if you have some vegetable broth or chicken broth you can use for this recipe, we'll add more water and mix. So you need to taste for your seasoning to see if you need to add more or adjust. So I'll be adding some little salt, and I'll be going in with 1 bay leaf. So don't forget to take off your bay leaf after the meal is cooked. And so we're gonna add a little water because we want our potatoes to be well cooked, and that's it. Cover with the pot lid and allow to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, then we'll come back to check on it. It's been 25 minutes and let's check on our food. First of all, you want to use your fork to check the potatoes. It's still hard. So now I'll go ahead to add the frozen veggies. I'm using green peas. You can make use of any green veggies of your choice. I'm using green peas there. I'm also going to be making use of some frozen green beans. And lastly, I'll be adding some sweet corn. I love some sweet corn in my vegetable soup. We'll go ahead to give it a good mix. And I'll be adding little lemon juice, but this is actually optional. Lemon juice just give it this fresh taste. That's why I love some lemon juice in it. And we'll mix up. Also, you need to taste for your seasoning as well to be sure it's still okay. Wow, this is really good. So we give it more 10 minutes for the veggies to cook. Please, if you are still watching till this point, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment and like, because we need your support to grow this channel. Thank you. Let's check on our soup. Wow, this is good. At this point, our vegetable soup is ready. I just take off the bay leaf. At this point, our soup is ready. You can share this video with your friends and family, and also if you're going to be trying this recipe, let me know how yours turned out in the comment section, because I would like to hear from you. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.